as I was saying before the almanac, obviously some of those crews were needed, at least in some spots in western Maine. I think there were some scattered outages, right?
Certainly a bit of not really a blockbuster day, but I mean, for severe weather in Maine, we had quite a few reports come in.
Yeah.
A lot of damage, things like that. Take a look at this picture that was sent in earlier. I mean, very dramatic, Zach. This is not something that we see here very often at all. This was taken in Denmark earlier today. Bonnie sent this into the Near Me section of our app. These are called mammatus clouds, and they're actually associated with the very turbulent air that we tend to see in strong to severe thunderstorms. So pretty cool to see this, and you can also very clearly pick out that edge on the leading edge of this storm. On the other side of this, it was just kind of hazy, but underneath these storms, it got dark very quickly. I made a joke with our digital director because he said, wow, it's like dark out right now. And I said, yeah, sunset today is at about 6 o'clock. It goes back to 7 o'clock starting tomorrow. Current temperatures still in the mid to upper 60s, especially near Portland, and then down 95 to Ogunquit, 67, 65 in Lewiston right now, 64 in Paris, 66 in Phippsburg and Wiscasset. Along the mid coast, we've got a lot of mid 60s. Same with the Penobscot Bay and down east. 65 in Cherryfield right now, 64 in Dover Foxcroft, 64 in Waterville. Visibility has dropped a little bit across some parts of the Maine, I-95 rather, down to about 3 miles of visibility in Bangor, 4 miles in Waterville. So this says to me that there's likely some fog out there mixed in with these showers passing through. We've got these line of showers slowly moving to the south and east and will eventually move out. I think that we end up with just a little bit of high pressure moving through to make things briefly dry tomorrow. Currently, we've got one heavier shower mixed in, but otherwise a lot of this is very light and falling apart as it keeps moving away from us. It's this shower right here that moved through Topsom and is now making a beeline toward Searsport and Bucksport, and will cross near the Penobscot Narrows Bridge with some heavier showers again near the Bangor area as well, and those are stretching up to around Holton, along Route 2 and along Main 6 toward Topsfield 2. Really not much else to talk about there. I think that tonight temperatures stay in the 60s thanks to the increased cloud cover. Tomorrow we start this clearing trend from north to south. Some areas in northern Maine get a full day of sunshine. Bangor area clears out around 10 o'clock tomorrow. Clouds linger on the coastline, especially in southwestern Maine, through most of the day, but I don't think we'll see any showers. Temperatures climb back up into the 70s for most, a bit cooler overnight into Friday morning. Some 40s expected, especially down east and across northern Maine, 46 in Rangeley Friday morning as well. And I think that Friday afternoon we bring back the threat for overcast skies across southern areas, mostly cloudy across northern areas. There's the front that brought all of our storms today. Humid air to our south on Friday, but I think most of the tropical moisture actually stays to our south here thanks to this front on Saturday. Some showers expected Saturday. I don't think we're going to be talking about severe weather, which is great news. High pressure returns for Sunday, and we actually end up with this pattern that favors much warmer air to move in. So we're looking at sunshine Sunday lingering into Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday next week as temperatures themselves start to climb from the 70s back up into the low 80s, which is not record-setting by any means for this time of year, but certainly seasonably warm, since typically you'd expect temperatures to be in the low to mid 70s. I don't think anybody's going to complain about 80 and sunny, though. Small craft advisory in effect until 1 a.m., so that expires in a couple hours. Seas 2 to 3 feet tomorrow, north wind 5 to 10 knots. Looking at 76 inland on Sunday, and there is a full stretch of sunshine for about 4, maybe even 5 days, depending on how long we can keep that around, with temperatures running mostly in the 70s to near 80 degrees. And Zach, selfishly, my days off are Monday and Tuesday. These could be some of the nicest days that we've seen all year. Low humidity, full sunshine, about 75 degrees.
Wow. So just when we thought it was fall, now summer's not going just yet.
You always get that little taste in September. We'll see what October brings.
All right. Thanks, Mike.